guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So by the title you can find out that I'm going to be unboxing another book box, which I'm totally excited because all of the books are selected by me. So I'm so excited to show you how this book box turned to be. So if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to view all of the content and view my future uploads, then don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. So let's begin. So I have cut open the box because I was not able to hold my excitement because this box arrived the next day. I ordered the box because I live in Chennai and the website is also based in Chennai. So they shipped it immediately, I guess, and I got it within a day. And I'm so excited because I really like fast shipping time because it does give me a whole lot of happiness, a whole lot of excitement and surprise. So let's open it because I've already opened it, but I didn't see what all books I kind of picked inside. So I have a very bad memory, so I kind of forgot what all I picked inside. So I'm going to be just opening it up and seeing what all titles I got. The shipping, the packaging, everything was really very good. I'm so happy about the box because in the UBF box, I think you can select 10 books for 1000 rupees, plus you have to pay 99 rupees for shipping, which I think is normal and kind of affordable, because I paid 499 for the Lock the Box book box, which I think was very regretful, but that's okay. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it on the iCards, as well as the unboxing of Battered Page book box on the iCards. Okay, you can see both of the unboxing and you can find what all books I chose from both of these. So the first thing I see is a very cute letter or a note, I would say. It says, "Hi Rahini, welcome to UBF family. We hope to see that smile whenever you open our package. Team UBF." The next thing I see are, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bookmarks, which are very pretty. The very first book which I see in the box is The Color Purple by Alice Walker. So I've seen this book around Bookstagram and I wanted this book very badly. And when I saw this book in the list to fill your box, I immediately picked it because it's a great book. And I think it's an old edition. I don't know kind of which edition is this, but I really like it. And the book, the font is a little bit smaller, but the book looks good. It's a pre-loved book, but I really like the quality of the book. The next one which I see is a psychological thriller. So most of the books which I picked in the box are either thrillers or psychological thrillers. So the second book which I got, which I picked for myself, is Daughter by Jane Shemet. So I don't know the last name of the author, but I've seen this book in one of the Bookstagrammers page and I really liked the review, and that's why I picked it. It's a psychological thriller. So I'm not a person who reads a lot of psychological thrillers or thriller mysteries, but I want 2021 to be out of my comfort zone, and that's why I picked it. I'm very intrigued to read this book, and from the cover of the book, I think some places might make me spooky or something, but I don't know. I want to read the book. The quality of the book seems to be very good. It's not pre-loved, it's just a little old, but the condition looks absolutely new. So the next book which I see in the book box is Shadows by Paul Finch. So I really like the blurb of the book. So it's a very interesting blurb, and it's a thriller. So it is between a father and a daughter. So let's see how it goes, and I'm totally excited. Two books are from Jeffrey Archer, and they had a lot of Jeffrey Archer, John Grisham, James Patterson, a lot of thriller books, thriller mystery books. So I was totally excited to pick Jeffrey Archer's book. The first book which I picked is A Prisoner of Birth. So this book is about a guy called Danny who's been arrested and charged because of a murder of his best friend. He's sent to the most secure jail, and nobody can escape from that jail. But for 22 years, but everyone has underestimated Danny's determination to take revenge. So that's about how this book will go. So it's very interesting. I loved the blurb and that's why I picked it. So it's going to be a very great read. The next Jeffrey Archer book which I picked is A Matter of Honor. I am totally forgetting what the book is about because I don't have any idea. I read the blurb and I found it very interesting and that's why I picked it. And I saw reviews on Goodreads as well as on Bookstagram and I saw good reviews and that's why I picked it. The next book which I picked is Divergent by Veronica Roth. So if you have seen my Backward Pages book box, I got Insurgent from the same author. So I really wanted to pick the first book in the series. So I am very excited and I'm very happy that I got the first book in a very good condition. And all of the books which I got earlier, which I showed earlier, were very good in condition. Let me just show you. All of the 4 books which I described, I showed you, are very good in condition. I'm totally happy for this. I like the condition of this book more than the books which I got in my Battered Pages book box. So I have no idea about the series or the book. So I think it'll be a very great thriller read. The next book is from one of the most anticipated author, which is Nicholas Spark. I got the lucky one because I have 7 books from the author and I found this book was missing out and I wanted to pick it up. I have no idea about the blurb or anything about the book. I just wanted to pick this because of the author. The next book is from my favorite author, Sophie Kinsella. So they had a lot of Sophie Kinsella's book, like all of the Shopaholic series book, Wedding Night, I Have Got Your Number, Can You Keep a Secret, 20s Girl, Wedding Night. I think most of the books, but I wanted to pick just one book because I have mostly all of her books and I wanted to complete them and then go for another ride of buying her books. So this is a very interesting story about 2 people exchanging their phones by mistake, I guess. I hope so. I don't have any idea and I don't remember, but I've seen great reviews about this book and that's why I picked it. And mainly because of the author, I had no second thought and I picked it. Last 2 books are books by a very famous author. The first book is Two Women by Martina Cole. So I've seen this author's book in most of the bookstagrammers who like to read a lot of thriller mystery books, and I'm so intrigued to give this author try because I have not read a lot of thrillers and mysteries and I really want to touch that genre with great authors. So this book had a very interesting blurb and because it has the title called Two Women, I'm much more interested to read this book. The next book is also by Martina Cole, which says Revenge, and I really like the cover of the book, the handsome guy on the cover. I'm so intrigued to kind of read this book. The book looks absolutely new. It's not even pre-loved. It's absolutely new. And the other book is also, it's not at all pre-loved. It's just old. And I think these are UK versions. So I'm kind of happy for all of the books. So I have unboxed all the books in the box and I'm totally happy with my purchase because I think all the books were in great quality. I would say I'm really liking the quality, and I bought 2 more separate books which I was not able to find out from other second-hand websites for an affordable price. One is Elena Oliphant is Completely Fine. Another one is The Shadow of the Wind. So these 2 books I was eyeing for quite some time, but I couldn't get them for a good price, which I'll be discussing in my book haul video of February, which will be coming up very soon. So I have kind of a lot of bookish content for the month of February because I had a poll on my YouTube channel asking you guys for what content you would like to see, and most of you voted for bookish content, so you will be seeing a lot of bookish content. And I hope this video was interesting, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be meeting you all in my next one. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.